Any monitor can display your games, but a gaming monitor will enhance the experience with brighter, more vibrant color and a high refresh rate for smooth gameplay in fast-paced titles. You don't need to clean out your wallet, either. The very best gaming monitors are expensive, but budget models are surprisingly capable, providing similar results at a drastically lower price. What's up, guys? Today you'll take a look at the best gaming monitors you can buy right now. We'll try to help you find the right one for your needs. To see the most up-to-date prices, you can check out the links in the description below. If you are new here, do subscribe and press the bell icon for the latest video. Without wasting any time, let's jump into the video. Number 5. Dell S2721 HGF 27-inch Gaming Monitor. Contrast is this monitor's best trait. It has deep, inky black levels in dark scenes, yet also looks bright and vibrant in more colorful content. This provides an excellent sense of immersion in attractive, realistic games. The enhanced refresh rate delivers low response times and is compatible with both AMD's FreeSync and NVIDIA's G-Sync adaptive sync standards, which means that if you own a graphics card from either of those manufacturers, images will be even smoother on your eyes. The Dell S2721 HGF is more attractive and durable than most monitors in its price range. However, the stand has a limited range of adjustment and isn't as sturdy as more expensive monitors. Number 4. Alienware AW3420DW Curved Gaming Monitor. A 34-inch wide curved screen just screams immersion, and it provides an awesome field of view for intense gaming sessions. You get the essential tech you'd want in a gaming monitor: G-Sync, a fast refresh rate of 120 Hz, and a reasonably fast response time. The IPS nano color technology provides bright and solid color coverage that exceeds the sRGB standard. The 3440 by 1440 WQHD is not a 4K resolution, but it is a common resolution for widescreen monitors. The picture looks bright and beautiful, and the overall design will enhance your rig setup with a cool futuristic look. Number 3. Benq ZOWIE 35-inch Gaming Monitor. A seriously stylish-looking 35-inch Benq monitor, this features an edge-to-edge ultra-slim design with that impressive 1800R curvature screen. It comes fully fitted with HDR technology to ensure a bright and crisp viewing experience with intelligent color technology built in. Every detail is sharply displayed in all its full multicolor glory. We also love this monitor because it is so easy to set up, meaning that you can get straight into your gameplay action. There's just one cable that simplifies all of your connections, and it utilizes state-of-the-art USB-C architecture to deliver high-resolution video and audio with super-speed data transfer. Number 2. Samsung 49-inch Curved LED Gaming Monitor. When it comes to the color resolution too, you won't be disappointed with the incorporation of their quantum dot technology. They say it's like seeing a billion shades of color. We say it makes for stunning, almost cinematographic-style images that are lifelike and bursting with vibrancy. Combine that with the HDR, and you get simply stunning shades of light and dark with the brightness of hues and the deepest of silhouettes. If immersive gameplay is your style, then this has it in bucket loads. The impressive features don't just stop there though. The monitor has been built for speed and responsiveness and has advanced motion blur technology that delivers a super fast, blink, and you will literally miss it, one motion picture response time for the sharpest picture and the smoothest gameplay. Number 1. ASUS ROG Swift 4K UHD Gaming Monitor. If you are serious about your gaming, then you are going to love this monitor, which is fast and sharp. First up, it runs on the very latest technology, 4K Ultra High Definition, delivering a refresh rate of 144 Hz. That's fast and smooth and gives gamers unparalleled levels of detail with crisp, easy-to-read text and sharply displayed images. It also comes with G-Sync, HDR that ensures the picture is at its options brightness. We're talking a peak of 1000 nit, which, in case you wondered, is several times better than a regular display. There's also a dynamically controlled LED backlight so that even the darkest of gameplay looks rich with the blackest of blacks and crispness of detail that will have your transfixed. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like on this video. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel.